Hey guys, how you guys doing? Been a while I make a video. Now I'm here with my Range Rover 2008 HSE. What's going on with it is that my gear is slipping. Every time I put it in drive, it's not selecting on the dash drive. You see right now, the car isn't starting because it's not even in neutral, right? So what's going on? Two things has caused that. Your gear shifter could be bad, or it could be the on the transmission there's like a gear selector. There's also a gear selector down there where, you know, when this move it select the gear. That's with the cable hook onto. I noticed that was good. So my problem is right here. So what I do is, this was just fit down in there. I just pull this up. I use this right here and I just pull him up, right? Now this, I already take him off, as you guys could see. What you do is you put the car in neutral, you squeeze on it and you pull, whoop, and this come out. All right, okay, so that's out. Now the next move is, what I'm replacing is this here, the shifters. Now to do that, you guys may want to know how you would get this whole thing here off so you could get to that. All right, so we're using this right here and we're prising on the side, blip, blip, blip. All right, and we take with time and we take the sides off. You do the same thing over here. So when you took the side off, you got one screw on this side. It's gonna be the same thing on that side. All right, you got a next screw here holding up the interior. So you take that off and then you should be able to see this right here. Yeah guys, so after taking the screws out and this side, I even took this one here out. I don't believe I need to take it out, but I'm seeing this screw right here, and that's gonna give me the privilege to take this whole piece here off. And I'm guessing when I take this off, I should be seeing some screws inside there which can help me more to get to the whole cluster here. Alright, so I'm gonna take this here off and do the same on the next side and see how that go. Okay, so as you can see, I moved the two screws from here, right? And this comes up all the way. Alright, so now what I gotta do, this broke because I prised on it a little too hard. That's my fault. What I gotta do now is move this screw right here, this one here, same things on this side. All right, there's two, so I'm just gonna clip that out, prop them out of the way, move those two screws so this could come up a little, and then I'll just pull it forward. Okay, so let me do that right now and you guys can see. I'm almost on my way to get into the gear shifter. Well guys, so I took this off right here, like I said I was going to do. This here comes out easy. It just clip right there, bloops, and slip in and slip out. So you just take your time and pull it out. After I didn't even have to take this screw off, to be honest with you, because this just pries out without even doing that. It's just sitting there. They just had it sitting there. You see that? It come forward and it give you a little leverage where it goes under here and it slide in. So now when you take this out, you got two screws. I already took one out right here. Right, the car is dirty, it's really dusty, and then there's the next one right there, you see him? All right, so as long as I took that out, I took that off, this whole supposed to be able to come off. All right, so I'm about to do that right now, so in that way we'll see exactly what we're doing, guys. Let's get to it. Okay, now it's out. So what I gotta do is, now there's harness wires, like you see that one there. There's one where it belong to the cluster here, holding there's a next one right here. All right, all I gotta do now is unplug these cluster wires, sorry, and take it out. All right, so I'm gonna take my time and take all these wires out because I love this car, man. This car is my baby. This is my girlfriend. All right, even though I lend my girlfriend this car, and I don't think I will lend her again. Alright, so let me see if I can put it in neutral. I gotta put the gear inside to get this up, but let me take care of that. I'm gonna put the camera down for a little bit, guys, and I'll show you guys when I take it off. So guys, you gotta put the car in neutral. Alright, you see the gears in neutral there. All I'm getting is neutral and reverse. It's not giving me anything else. That's why I'm changing it. I'll show you guys that too. Let me prove that to you guys before I take this off, right? So if you watch on the dash here, it's neutral, right? You see reverse, reverse. I'm getting reverse, right? Park, reverse, park, park coming and going, because park coming and going, right? Okay, drive. See that? Drive. Nothing is not selecting. See? Park, but I got a whole park. Drive, not selecting. Alright? So the shifter is bad. I already checked to see if the transmission was bad, but the transmission is good. Because under there it's changing when you take the cable out and move it. It's going in correctly fine. Perfectly fine. Alright, so right here is our problem. Right? It's not even shifting over into sports. You see? Not even giving me nothing. It's slipping, you see? I just come there and it gone again. Right? See? So yeah. It's coming and going. So here is the problem. I think too much stuff here. So it's not good to put any stuff here and you're driving and it leaning and it, no, it could mess this up. So that what happened to this. So I'm changing that. So neutral, you put it in neutral. You raise them up like this. So in that way you could start to take out all the wires underneath there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go from the next side of the car to operate that. Alright, I take the car off, my brakes is up, so it should be alright. And I'm gonna go over on that side where I can see, or I can come right here. Alright, yeah, I can come right here. So it's just the harnesses I'm taking out from there. All of them. All of them. Alright. This clip right on the side here. This is what holding the wires. I'll pull that down right there. I don't know how to get that one out yet. All of them just coming down. Yeah. Pull this one here out. Up in there. Take this harness here out. Take this harness here out, right? We got this one right here. Take that out, right? We got a next one over in the corner here. Yep, take that out, right? We got a big one here. That's controlling everything. That's controlling the, you know, the car going up, leaning on the side, all that. Airbags and stuff. All right. Now this one here, I just need to pull them out right here real quick. Okay, bam, there we go. All right, so that's the harness wires. They're out right there. I think I got like one more behind here. This is for the park. Now if I took this out, what's gonna happen? Okay, it's still, the park is still on. Park brakes, right? And now we got for the cigarette lighter right there that's holding me back. All right. I can get to that. One is out. One is out. Two is out. Alright, easy. Okay, so now that's out. I'll take the whole. Okay, oh my god, down in here is dirty. I never smoked in this car a day in my life. Now look at it. And they've been smoking in my shit. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the dust out. Okay, so this is where I'm at here right now. Alright, this is what I'm changing. Sorry, this is what I'm changing. The whole gear shifter stick right here. So what you do when you're taking out these bolts, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When you take them 3 bolts up, this whole thing should come straight up, right? Now, right here is where the cable is running, as you can see, to the transmission. All right, is a possibility. I don't think you need to take that whole thing out, because right here look like it could, this look like it could come forward, Bram, and you could unplug it from right here. Right, that's what I'm seeing so far. All right, now let me put this car back in. It's supposed to be parked, and take this key out. See, I can't even get the key out because it's not selecting park. Right, there we go. All right, yeah. So there we go, guys, we got it. So we got the middle console out, center console. 3 screws to take this out. And if you guys have this problem on your Range Rover HSE, I guess it's from 2006 to 9. The part, yeah, I think it's 6 to 9. This work, yeah, from 6 to 9. You know, you buy it off of eBay, $70, probably $100 and something. I use one, you know, you might not be able to get one brand new. I don't know the price for it brand new, but I seen one on eBay that I'm going and buy. I ain't buy it yet, but I just make this video to show you guys, because I look on YouTube and I didn't see any videos. So if you're all having this problem and think it's your transmission, please go under your car and unplug the cable we hook onto the transmission. Let a friend sit in the car, turn the car on, make sure his feet is on the brakes at all time. Start the car again, turn the car on, yes, and let him stay from under there and move the gear shifter from under there, the lever, the gear lever on the transmission. Put it in reverse, put it in drive, put it in park, see if it's moving. You know, as long as it's selecting here, your problem is not your transmission. And I think a lot of people probably had that problem and get rid of the cars when all it was is this. It looked like there is a common issue that goes on with these cars. Alright, so I'll figure it out, man. Okay, guys. So I take the bolts off. Right? Last 4 ends. Take the 3 bolts out. I already disconnect this from here. All you gotta do is pull this clip out. Blam. And the clips come out to the left like this. It comes out to the left. You see like that? Right, easy, out of this hole. Okay, and you raise them up. This one, same thing, it's very easy. There's a 10 bolt right there. You take that 10 bolt out, you raise this up, he slide out right there, easy. This is what holding the key. So as soon as you turn the key, this comes down and is locked. Right, it unlocks, sorry, for the gears to go in position that you need it. So I already took that out. We're gonna raise this out. Right, there we go. And she's out of place right there. Same way I took it out, it's the same way I'm putting it back in. Y'all leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright, Bruce Auto Trade. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace, and we out.